Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Many people ask if Outlook is a Microsoft product. The answer is a definite and enthusiastic yes. Outlook is absolutely a core part of the Microsoft family of software. It's much more than just an email program. It's a comprehensive personal information manager designed to help you organize your digital life. Think of it as your central hub for all things related to email, calendars, contacts, and tasks. Microsoft developed Outlook many years ago, and it has undergone significant evolution to become the robust tool it is today. It's a foundational component of the Microsoft Office suite, which is now widely known as Microsoft 365. You can interact with Outlook in several ways. There's the powerful desktop application you install on your computer, the convenient web version accessible through Outlook.com, and dedicated mobile apps available for both iOS and Android devices. All these different versions are meticulously developed, updated, and maintained directly by Microsoft. Outlook famously replaced earlier Microsoft email programs like Microsoft Mail and integrated popular services such as Hotmail, bringing them under one cohesive brand. Millions of businesses and individuals worldwide depend on Outlook daily for their crucial communications, scheduling appointments, and managing their professional and personal contacts. It seamlessly connects with other essential Microsoft services, including cloud storage like OneDrive, collaboration tools like Teams, and productivity applications such as Word and Excel. So, whether you're drafting an important email, checking your upcoming schedule, or organizing your contact list, you are undoubtedly engaging with a genuine Microsoft product. It remains an indispensable tool for countless users, serving both personal productivity and large-scale professional operations, all firmly under the Microsoft umbrella.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.